Hey guys, it's Matt and I'm back with another unboxing video. Now, I haven't done an unboxing video in a while. Main reason is I haven't really gotten anything too exciting or unique. But this came in the mail today and it really got me excited to want to actually do a video. So let me zoom in. So you can see who that's from. The Boring Company, 1 Rocket Road, Hawthorne, California. Now, you might be thinking that this is a flamethrower. Unfortunately, no, it's not a flamethrower, but the next best thing. So, I don't actually know what's going to be in this box. It might just be a box with a hat in it. Who knows? That would be... well, let's see. Let's go in and get inside and see what we have. Opening it up, and it's literally a box with a hat inside. Let's pull it out. There's no paperwork whatsoever inside the box. Let's put that aside and take a look at, there it is, The Boring Company in a nice jet black. Adjustable strap, Velcro, some nice vent holes, let's take a look underneath. Some little details about where it's made, 100% cotton. So, there you have it. This is just an unboxing, so I'm not going to go through the detailed specs on this hat. Those I'll probably save for another video, where I'll go into the construction of the hat and how you might want to use the hat and some of the best known ways to get the most out of this product. So, that's it for this video for the Boring Company hat, limited edition. Thanks for watching.